Is President Trump dampening the economy? This was in the zeitgeist this weekend. Is the rhetoric, is the ballet of the White House, all the uproar in Washington, is it dampening the American economy?
I don't see it in the data necessarily, but I do think that the prospects for a fiscal boost in 2018 have diminished somewhat. We still expect sort of moderate tax cut because we do think that Republicans in Congress will probably want to pass something to take to the voters in the midterm election. But I do think that the various political difficulties that President Trump has probably made it a bit more difficult to push something through and basically corral reluctant lawmakers to pass something. It's very hard to say, I think, at this point. We certainly don't think that fiscal legislation is imminent in any case. We're probably talking early 2018, maybe very late 2017. But I think in terms of the data, I'm not really seeing that in the numbers.
Jan, thank you so much for joining us, because I know it's also the Goldman Sachs macroeconomic conference, which is why you're with us today. And I know it's a very busy day for you. Talk to me a little bit about how the Fed can actually tighten financial conditions without hiking interest rates.
Well, I think the short answer is that that's going to be difficult, and I think they will have to hike interest rates, and we think probably by more than what's currently priced in the markets. There are some other tools. Balance sheet adjustment is another tool. I don't think it's going to be as effective in tightening financial conditions. I don't think that if you very slowly let the balance sheet run off over time in a very well-signaled kind of way, that's going to have a really large effect. But there should be some impact from it. I'm just not sure that it's really going to be enough. And so, especially as you go into 2018 and beyond, I do think that the Fed's going to have to do more on the interest rate side than the very limited amount that's currently priced into the bond market.